Class, we are going to start in the back of our notebook. Now, we'll start on our ERS page, which is 74 and 75. All right, class, which do we use in together? All right, good. We use our the of her. All right, so find your first free line in those columns, or the of her. But before you write it, which do you use in together? Good, we use o. So what's our first syllable? Good, to. Our second syllable? Good, give. And our third syllable? Good, Say the sounds while you write them and then mark it. All right, let's check and make sure your word looks like that. Oops. All right. Let's go to our next page, our A's page, because we had an A in the word fair. Class, which A did we use in the word fair? Good, A, two-letter A that we do not use at the end of English words. So find that column. Here it is. Go to your first free line and write and mark fair. All right, let's check. Okay, good. Let's see, in the word in the word together, we also have an oo. So let's go to our oo page. Gosh, we don't have too many oos here. Or, I mean, we have a lot of oos. We don't have many things written down. All right, so which oo do we use in together? Good, we use oo. All right, class, go ahead and write together on your first free line in your o's column. All right, pause the video if you haven't finished and we'll check it. So together. All right. Oh, but we had another oo word. We had true also. All right, let's put true. So this is our saying oo in an open syllable. So let's go ahead and write the word true there. Don't forget what you need at the end. All right, so write it and mark it. Say the sounds while you're writing it. All right, there we are. All right, well, that is it for the back of our notebook. Let's go to our lesson section. So we're on 53, I believe. All right, so this is N-4. Means we're halfway through our last list in this book. All right, our first word is, our first contraction is I'll. So go ahead and write the two words and then the contraction, just like we did in the lesson. All right, our next two words are he will. And then what's the contraction? Good, he'll. So that's our first one. All right, then we'll do he will and he'll. All right, after that, it would be she will and she'll. Right. Oh, wait, make sure you're remembering those apostrophes. Otherwise, this word would be, class, what would this word be if we don't have that apostrophe? Yeah, it would be shell. We don't want to write shell, we want to write she'll. All right, our next word is together. What's the first syllable? Good, to, which oo? Good, oo. What's the second syllable? Good, geth. And the third syllable? Good, which Good, the of her. So go ahead and write that and mark it. All right, let's check that. All right, our next word is fair. Class, which A do we use in fair? Good, we use A2, letter A, that we do not use at the end of English words. So write that and mark it. All right, and then our last word is true. True. So after you've written that, mark it. True. All right, class, we are going to write a few sentences. So let's review the 5 parts of a complete sentence. All right, the first part is who or what the sentence is about. Class, what do we call that? Good, we call it the subject. All right, the next thing is what happens. What do we call that? Good, the predicate. The next thing is it needs to make sense. Starts with what kind of letter? Good, a capital letter, and finishes with? Good, an end mark. All right, so make sure after you write your sentence, you put your pencil down, you read it, and you check for all those things. All right, our first sentence is, I'll go to the fair. I'll go to the fair. All right, so you can, in just a second, pause the video. After you've written it, read it and check it. Read it and check it. Fix it if anything needs to be fixed. All right, our next sentence is we're running together. We're running together. Class, what's the sentence? Good, we're running together. All right, so after you finish writing that, pause the video, read it, check it. All right, our last sentence is that true? Is that true? All right, make sure you've got the right end mark for that sentence. Is that true? All right, nice job, class. Spring break is coming up. I hope you have a great spring break, and I'll see some of you back in person next Monday after spring break. So I'm looking forward to that. Bye.